What's up guys, we're going to see this combine cut from close. You can see it there, let's go. What's up guys, I'm about to end the video. Right behind there is a combine, a Bizon, which is cutting this like grass stuff right here. We're going to go see it, let's go. Ah. Look at this beast, he stopped for us very quick. It's like, yeah, but look at that.
GPS. Będziecie rurę mam.
combine. A Polish classic machine. It's starting to rain. Oh no, it's starting to rain, yo. Alright guys, this is where the combine's now going to spill, as you can see. And then this is the tractor. Yeah, here we have this tractor cutting grass. While we wait for the combine, yeah, we'll just someone down there is coming this way to spill. I have to go a bit far away. We're gonna see it and look at this tractor cut grass for a little bit. Look at this location though. This is a dream location. Look at this. Train track right there. Look at that tractor. Look at that. Alright guys, we've spotted him. He's gonna come here. If you guys see this place, you see that? You see that castle and that rock? That's where I was actually recording day 3 and back in December 28th. That's where it was. It was full of snow everywhere. Now obviously midsummer, look at this. We're late summer actually now, I could say. Like 3 weeks it's gonna be cold here again until next summer, spring. So yeah, but this combine's coming, we're just gonna wait for it now. Hey guys, this is definitely the last combine of this summer. He's gonna cut it again tomorrow, but obviously we're most likely not gonna cut him. He's gonna cut the same field again. But today you can see him, he's right there right now. We actually got that tractor there. Wow, this is so cool. Just waiting for him to come now. These views though are amazing, look at this. Hello, he's coming. Yo. That's actually the same guy who you might have seen if you're an OG viewer in May. This year, when we went for the outdoor adventure, he said something like around the 38 minute mark. He said something. You can see his face. Anyways, now he's coming. The real Bizon power is here. Let's go. Look at this guy, he's coming so fast. Yo, look at this. Yo, he's really going faster than I can run. Alright, here it comes. Let's see this. Let's watch him spinning here. Look at that. Alright, yo, let's see.
Jeździmy po tych polach szukamy, nie? Wiesz, gdzieś tam jakieś jedynki, gdzieś tam, a gdzieś go widzę wody.
Wow, look at that.
Tak. Nawet nie wiem, nie wyjeżdżali, ja się pytam, gdzie będziecie gości, mówicie taką bajkę, nie? 9 metrów jeden.
Wow, look at that.
Tam też spółka, nie? Tak? A, ja nawet nie wiem.
we're at this guy's farm, yeah? He has 3 Zetor tractors. Look at this first one. This will be his main one as a spoiler. I mean, not the spoiler, the trailer. Wow. This is the second Zetor he has. This is a grass machine, grass cutter. Yeah, look at this. This machine here. And this right here is the third Zetor he has. He's got nothing attached to it, but yeah, look at this beast. 3 of them. And plus that Bizon combine. These guys stacked with machines. And here, no wait, a 4th Zetor. 4 Zetor tractors. It's a yellow one. Wow, look at that. No way, guys. An even Noah version. I even know a version as Bizon. Another one. Look at this. Massive. Another Bizon here. That's crazy. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end for this video. This massive beast. That was the last combine of this year which we've seen harvesting. It's been fun over the past few videos that we've had combines. We'll see combines again next year. Bye.